Pakistan has been Zabardast.
Dust.
Zabardast, Pakistan.
Zabardast.
Dil Dil Pakistan.
Dil Dil Pakistan.
Say Dil Dil Pakistan.
Dil Dil Pakistan.
दिल दिल पाकिस्तान हाँ जी क्या हाल है पाकिस्तान
The Quickstyle name comes from a Norwegian chocolate called Quick Lunch. And we didn't have a crew name. We were, it was at school, and we had the wrapper, the chocolate wrapper in front of us. It says Quickstyle, and we were like, quick sounded very short and quick, and it's easy to remember. And then we just looked at each other and decided that this should be the crew name. So it's a chocolate.
This year, obviously, as we became internet sensation, as people say, we didn't plan that. That was not our intention at all. But we are happy that the world got to see what we do, and to see our, way of showing love, our way of speaking our words through our movements, And it was a celebration day, and yeah, we didn't usually, when we choreograph, we put a lot of focus and time on it. But in this specific performance that went viral, it was like less than 2-3 training session we had, and that's it. It was not that much focus in it, but what we put it in our time on it was joy. We had fun making it. We were enjoying during the process. So it's amazing.
So the difference we feel from this video and other videos that we have out is that this was real in a way that we didn't kind of plan a lot of it. So a lot of it was spontaneous. So the reactions around are real. Us dancing and looking at each other and smiling and laughing at each other actually is real too, because we didn't have that much practice. So people were making mistakes all over the place, and only we could see it, but that was part of the fun.
I wanted to add on that the thing that is also made people love it more was because we have so many different nationality in our group. We have Indian, we have Pakistanis, we have Thai, Moroccan, Finnish, Norwegian, Philippines, Vietnamese. So I mean, like the combination, it felt like the whole world was dancing. So yeah,
They dance from their heart. दिल से डांस किया है. That's why.
तुमसे मिलकर दिल को ये हार गया.
So the one who's picking the songs that we choose, which is Indian or Pakistan, is actually me. But so the magic here is that we don't have to listen to the lyrics. We can just find the vibe and the connection with the music just by listening to the instruments and the vibe that the music has.
Yasin chose the song Kala Chashma. He was like, guys, there is no wedding without Kala Chashma. We're like, okay.
My favorite is Kala Chashma. Yeah. Always my expectation says that there's something deep and it has a lot of meaning, but this was only black shades. And yeah, Kala Chashma.
For us, we love, like me and Yasin, both of us, we love Pakistani, Indian, Desi music in general because it has the drums, it has the energy that makes us wake up. So that's why we can always jam to it.
My favorite dancer in South Asia is definitely Prabhudeva because of his dance and everything he's done before, and And there's lots of more, but I let Bilal say the rest.
I think it's a hard question, to be honest. There is so many talented people in Southeast, Asia, and you cannot just say this is my favorite. It's like saying what's your favorite food. You cannot say, you know, biryani is better than kadai, kadai is better than biryani. Both are delicious. Obviously, since our videos went viral, we have gotten a lot of requests and choreographing requests and collaboration requests from India and other countries as well, but mostly India. And it is amazing for us because it's one of the biggest industry in the world within entertainment, choreography, and they are like the best in this scene. So yeah, and I cannot say what we're gonna do because that should be a surprise, and it's coming. But so we are definitely doing some interesting stuff. For me, Kanayari, because that song has it's something with the song you don't get tired. Whenever the song comes on, we become like this. Kanayari, Galdari.
I think out of those 3 songs, all of the songs are kind of like, you need to spend time with them, right? So we've obviously had a lot of time with Kanayari, so we built a relationship with the song, so that will always be close to heart. But Pizza Hut and Pasuri is growing on me a lot. So if you ask the same questions, you know, like in a couple months, maybe that will change. But right now, it's Kanayari for sure.
I remember one feedback that I really liked. It was like, before I was your fan, but now I'm your air conditioner.
Was it with the accent?
Before I was a fan, now I'm air conditioner. I love it. Zabardast.